When you read the mixing instructions for our cementitious grout products, you'll commonly see an instruction to dry blend prior to adding water. Dry blending is the process of pouring a full bag of powder into a dry container that's large enough to allow you to mix the dry powder by hand or with a low-speed drill and mixing paddle. This is an important step to help achieve color consistency throughout your installation. Cement grout is made up of a combination of cement, aggregate, pigment, and dried latex polymers that are all different in shape, size, and quantity. Once packaged and shipped, these components can begin to settle over time as they are moved and stored. Color consistency is the biggest challenge for cement grouts, and returning the powder to its original dispersion with all of its components is an important step in achieving this. This step of dry blending is absolutely vital if you're planning to mix partial bags or multiple bags at the same time. For more information on how to mix and apply our grouts, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.